Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to on auto rotate screen in our Vivo phone. Guys, you want to on your auto rotate screen mode setting in your Vivo phone, so as you can on. And guys, now let's see how to on auto rotate screen in Vivo phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you on your auto rotate screen in Vivo phone. So guys, first of all, come in your phone setting to on auto rotate screen. Display and brightness setting, scroll it guys, and guys you can see auto rotate screen. So as you can on from this right side, so as auto rotate screen will on in our Vivo phone. So as you can see guys, you are using YouTube and any, and guys you want to rotate your phone, so as you can rotate. So I hope friends you have understood how to on auto rotate screen in Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.